Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels 2022 US 2593, I believe end case. But this code, I only know that this means US case, and I know that usually if there's an N somewhere it means, or there you can kind of figure out what kind of case it is, plus the end case is set to hit. Mattel sent this one. The coding suggests that it's store exclusive. I could be wrong. It could be a standard end case, but we'll just see. We'll open it up and see. It might be Zamac, could be Target exclusive. It's probably one of those too, right? Seems like the Kroger cases and the others come in 36 count, but always fun to do a surprise when something arrives on my doorstep. I just know. I look and you could say, oh, I saw there's two cases, but I look at it and say, oh, look, two videos. It's always fun to do them. All right, bump to the microphone. Let's fold these open. I'm already seeing stuff that suggests that this is and I think we're already seeing Zamac, right? I think we're seeing Zamac. This case is a little beat up, but let's get to it. And the first thing we see is TV series Batmobile. There's the altered state, and there's your Zamac. Batmobile, oh my goodness, this is cool. We've seen a lot of this casting, and Hot Wheels figured out a very cool way to continue it on. We've seen it in black and kind of black and maybe dark gray. Now Zamac is about as different as it gets. That is actually really cool. That's number 13. Where's the Zamac symbol on it? I think it's right there on the side, right? Okay, cool. There's our first one. We know what we're looking at. This is a Zamac case. This will be the second to last Zamac batch, right? BMW R90 Racer. There's another Zamac Batmobile. There's the Mercury Cougar, which is a casting I collect. I already did an end case unboxing, so we've talked about a lot of these models, but let's just keep going. Max Steel, Aristorat, and the Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. There's the Audi Avant RS2 in black. If you see it in more of it looks very similar, but if you see it in a more of a kind of a gunmetal gray, we'll call it Spectre Flame black, with similar wheels but a little different, and a TH on the back. Can't even really see it there. Then you got yourself a super treasure hunt. Even on the art, it's very similar, right? But a little different, right? So that is that. So that's the, obviously this is the end case, as you can see. There's another Batmobile. Is that the second or third? So we've already got a few of those. They're letting us figure out what the other Zamacs are. Purple Batmobile, Velocita, and BMW R9T Racer. We have 3 Batmobiles so far, right? The purple, the TV one, and there's another Batmobile. Is that 4 now? 1, 2, yep. So 4 of these. I really hope we get the other ones. All right, and then there's the Toyota Supra. You start wondering, right? You get all these weird assortments. Big Air Bel Air is awesome. There's another Audi Avant RS2 in black. No Super. And then the Driftsta. Lay-in Lowrider. There's 47 Chevy Fleetline recolor of the Moon Eyes, which is fabulous. And there's the Donut Drifter. Volvo 240 Wagon. Max Steel, and the Range Rover Classic. This Volvo is tremendous. And we're trying to see in the sun. Maybe you can see some of that ghost deco on it. It's really hard to see, but when I do the highlight video, we'll definitely check that out. Ah, here's a Zamac. All right, we have the Driftsta there. There is the Nissan Maxima drift car, which is fabulous. And here's the second one that we've got. It's the 06 Pontiac GTO, and it is fabulous. I should say, okay, some people don't like this casting. This is Brendan Vituski. He had a GTO. I don't know if I think he was going to sell it, but he kind of did a special, kind of drag version of his GTO. And when I say fabulous, is it my cup of tea? Maybe not necessarily, but I like that they do these kind of cars. And I'm always happy to have a Zamac, because you give me a Zamac, it means I now have a version of this casting to collect, right? In the collection. That's what I love about the Zamac. So even the Batmobile, which I haven't collected, I think is kind of cool to have it that way. All right, Toon Chevy. There's another Audi. These assortments sometimes are really odd. And Driftsta. I don't know if a lot of people find Zamacs in or Supers in Zamac cases. I don't know if I ever have since I've started getting them from Mattel. Maybe I have. I don't know. I found them in other store exclusive ones. There's another Pontiac GTO, and there's the Chevy Cobra. All right, let's see what that third Zamac is and see how weird this assortment continues to get. 4 Batmobiles, 2 GTOs. There's the third one. It is the 68 El Camino. So, decent batch of Zamacs. I mean, we're not seeing like, what was it, the last one with the Honda S2K and what was the other one? There was some really cool ones in that one. But this is a decent mix, but there it is. So there is the third. So it's the El Camino, the Batmobile, and the GTO. There's the Pagani Zonda, which is a fantastic model from this case. And then the Pontiac GTO. Let's keep going. Lancia Delta Integrale, which is in the last case. There's another Volvo wagon. And look, another purple Batmobile. Rescue Duty, Snowstormer, recolor of the Lucid Air, which is new to this case. Now that we know what the Zamacs are, we can kind of move through the 69 Camaro convertible. There's the supercharged and recolor of the Lolix. Cyber Speeder, Lancia Delta, and the Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Another Lolix, Volvo 850 Estate, and the Koenigsegg Gemera. Another Pagani Zonda, no complaints with that. Corvette Gasser from the last case, and then the 5-alarm. Not seeing the regular treasure hunt, which is the Subaru 22B, which is a cool one. Twin Mill from the Then and Now. There's the Lotus Sport and the Camaro SS. Just tons and tons of bats in this one, and that one sandwiches a Dodge Charger. There's the Toyota Supra. There's the Dodge Charger. There's the Lotus Evija. And we finish off with Twin Mill Corvette C6R, which is the then from the Then and Now, and a Velocita. And in this very strange assortment, Ford Mustang, Water Bomber, and the tuned Silverado. So we got the 3 Zamacs, right? El Camino, Pontiac GTO, and the Batmobile. A decent mix. I wouldn't call this the most spectacular mix. Now I gotta look and see if there's cars that were missing from this case, because I have the other end case that Mattel sent. We already did this. We already did this unboxing. We didn't get the Subaru Treasure Hunt. I think we got the Moon Eyes. Did we get the? I don't think we got the Big Air Bel Air. Maybe we did. Maybe we did. I don't know. Acura I didn't see. Yeah, I mean, maybe we got most things, but they're just kind of a strange assortment of them, right? I always go by the highlights. You know, I think we did okay, actually. Yeah, we got the Pagani, which I think is going to be one of the big highlights. Anyway, there we are. So, there's your next group of Zamacs. When I do the highlight video, I'll open these up along with the other end case, and we'll put them into the mixes. Thanks, everybody. You guys tell me what you like in this one. What you're feeling on these Zamacs. I actually think the best one's the Batmobile, to be honest. Bye.